Good morning, students. How are you? Are you completing your homework question? Very good. Okay, so many times already I have told you, if you have any problem in any chapters, means how many chapters is completed by the teachers, by me, you can ask your problem in live classes, because live classes already I have completed, I have revised limit, differentiation, mathematical induction and complex number. And you can help from the video and from live classes, both the class video live classes, and you can complete your maximum question. Now here you see part number 49. In this part today we have to discuss in deep about the congruency of line. This congruency of line. Understood? And if a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, equation number 1, suppose here equation number 1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, equation number 2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0, equation number 3. Understood? It means if we have three equations are given, equation number 1, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, equation number 2, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, and a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0. How we can prove, how we can show that? First of all, solving any two equation. Suppose first and second equation. Okay. Now a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, equation number first, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, equation number second. Now x minus y and here 1. It is not compulsory, you will change here minus y, you can write here plus y also here, but you have to change the sign, suppose here plus. What is value of x? b1 c2, b1 c2, b1 c2 minus b1 c2 minus c1 b2. For b, a2 c1 means c1 a2 minus c2 a1. Find this value. For y, a2 c1 minus a1 c2. For constant number a1 b2, a1 b2 minus a2 b2. Any problem, beta? No. Now, if x upon b1 c2 minus c1 b2 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, means first of all solve two equation by any methods, either simultaneous linear equation in two variable, either cross or multiplication, either elimination, either substitution method, depend on you, but it is simple for you here. Hide this value b1 c2 minus b2 c1, and for y a2 c1 minus a1 c2, for this value a1 b2 minus a2 b1. If this is equal to this, then x is equal to b1 c2 minus c1 b2 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And if y upon C1A2 minus C2A1 is equal to 1 upon A1B2 minus A2B1. Therefore, y is equal to C1A2 minus C2A1 upon A1B2 minus A2. Therefore, the coordinate are B1 C2 minus C1 B2 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1 comma C1 A2 minus C2 A1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Clear? After that, this value, this point will be satisfied of the remaining third equation. It means put this value, in equation number 3. Here, equation number 3. Now, E3 x is equal to what? B1 C2 minus C1 B2 upon what? A1 B2 minus A2 B1 plus B3 C1 A2 minus C2 A1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1 and plus C3, where we will take the LCM A1 B2 A2 B1, A1 B2 A2 B1. Understood? Then A3 B1 C2 minus C1 B2 plus what? B2 C1 A2 minus C2 A1 plus C3 and A1 B2 minus A2 B1 whole upon what? A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Where we will solve? A3 B1 C2 minus A3 C1 B2 plus B2 C1 A2 minus B2 C2 A1 plus 4 1 2 3 4 C3 A1 B2 minus C3 A2 B1. Now this value becomes what? 0. Clear? This value becomes 0. It means very simple here. After solving these two equations, whatever points there, these points we will put in third equations. These equations become a 0. If 0 will come, we can say that all the three lines are congruent line. All the three lines are congruent line. Understood? I am going to give example. Now, in this question, we have to prove that, we have to check that lines 5x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, and x plus 2y is equal to 0 are congruent lines. Understood? Now, 5x plus 3y is equal to 7. Equation number first. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Equation number second. And here x plus 2y is equal to 0. Equation number third. What we have to do? We have to solve any two equation. Clear? We have to solve any two equation. After solving two equation, whatever points will get, whatever value will get, means from first and second. 5x plus 3y is equal to 7 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. 4 into means here into 4, here into 3. 4 into 5, 20x plus 12y is equal to 28. 5 into 3, 15x minus, we have to complete, we have to equal quotient of y here. 3 3 are 9x minus 12y is equal to 30. Cancel. 29x is equal to 30, 40, 58. X is equal to 58 by 29 and 2. We got 2 9s 18, 2 2s are 4 1 5. Clear? Now put x is equal to 2 in equation number first. In equation number first. Here first means 5x plus 3y is equal to 7. 5 into 2 plus 3y is equal to 7. 10 plus 3y is equal to 7 and 3y is equal to 7 minus 10. 3y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 1. Now point is what? Point is 2 comma minus 1. Now these points will be satisfied to this remaining third equation. Now put point P means 2 comma 1 in equation number x plus 2y is equal to 0. Therefore 2 plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 0 here and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then what? 0 is equal to 0. Both the sides are equal. It means after solving whatever points we will get, these points will be satisfied to third equation, remaining third equation. Then first of all we will solve first and second equation, we will get the points. These points, required points, we will satisfy to third equation. Then we can say all the lines first, second and third are congruent. Understood? Okay, now I am going to give the homework question because homework question is very important. Now homework means question number 1 is find the coordinate of the point of intersection of the straight line. Clear? First one, 3x minus 5y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 22 is equal to 0. First part. Second part, 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0. Now question number 2. In question number 2 here, find the area of the triangle whose angular points are 0, 0, 2, minus 1 and minus 1, 3. those angular. Suppose here find area of triangle. Find area of triangle by the line. Area of triangle formed by the line. Area of triangle formed by the lines. Clear? Because this is simple for you here. Y plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. 3y minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. And 3y is equal to 5x plus 2. Clear? Then I have given two questions in homework. First, find the coordinate of the point of the intersection of straight line. Very simple only. We have to solve equation first and second. After that, we will get the points x1, y1. Find the points solving first and second equation also here. Now see the second homework question. Second question is very important. Find the area of the triangle form the line y plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. 3y minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. 3y is equal to 5x plus 2. How we can do? How we can do? Very simple here. First of all, we make a triangle ABC. Suppose x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, and here minus x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, and here and 3y minus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Solving this and this equation, find here x1, y1. Solving by first and this line, find x2 and y2. This and this equation, x3 and y3. After that, we have formula. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y minus y2. Very simple here. x1 2 3 2 3 1 and 3 1 2. Very simple. By putting this formula we can solve. Then please you will complete your homework question, because homework question is very important, and all the homework question you have to complete. Either one question, two question, how many questions are given, please you will complete. It is very important for you. Understood? Thank you very much.